Hey everybody, Jim King Piers out here on our Kansas City, Missouri project. It's actually, when I was a kid, this was Independence, but they've annexed all their land off to Kansas City over by where the Blue Ridge Mall used to sit. Anyway, we're going to straighten this wall out. And got the piers installation. Piers are installed. Looking good here. Got a mountain of dirt here that's going to go back in there. We got gravel that's going to go down on top of that footing as soon as we're done. We're going to seal the outside of this wall. I can see a few cracks that'll get sealed. We'll seal all the seams and then tar it before we do any backfill. So that's on the outside here. The total time it takes to straighten this wall. That wall looked already straight. Did you straighten the wall already? I thought it did. All right, looks real good. I was saying in the video we're going to straighten this wall, and I'm looking at it from end to end, and it looks pretty vertical. So good. How many inches did you move it? 2 inches. Yeah, the wall's already straight. As you can see, there's our interior setup. Got our wall braces in. We're just about finished. My A-team out here. Best of the best. Engineering sound foundation repair. We don't come in here and drill holes in the wall. We don't want to do that. Run a bolt out in the yard. The wall always ends up leaning back again, and I got to come back to the people's house. This method here is a permanent fix. Notice how everything we do is engineering sound. We saw cut the floor. We don't jackhammer it like everybody else. We lock the top brace in with a 6x6 treated wood support beam. We're going to end up sistering on here 3 feet on each side of the ceiling joist, floor joist, whatever you want to call it. When we're done, other companies come in here, they don't have this block of wood in here. They run a piece of angle iron and they bolt it to the underside of the existing ceiling joist, and that splits the joist, and we don't do that. So, yeah. Stay tuned, we're just about done. Step 4 is already installed. We just got to do a few things to it to get it complete. So, real proud of this project, my men. For all your foundation repair needs, call us 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.